Another credit card style kit. This one's Thunderbird 3 by Nakozen again. 54 minutes. Thunderbird 3. Right. We cut that. Okay. Sometimes they just snap off nicely, and sometimes they don't. Depends on which way the filament's running. Right, is this going to snap together, or are we going to have to glue it? They're quite loose. I think we're going to have to glue it. Yeah. I have to put glue in there. Gonna have to hold it. Okay. Leave that for a few minutes then. Finished. Thunderbird 3 by Nakozen. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.